do something more.
Oh, look at all these chicken nuggets.
Oh!
I need a break. No, that does not count. Hey, what is up, guys? So today, what? Hey, what is up, YouTube? So today, hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we are going to be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge,
Chicken nugget.
but we're doing it in 10 minutes. So me and James are going to try and eat 50 each, and we'll see who can eat the most. We've got a little score sheet here.
That's me.
We're going to put it all together in a pile, and then we're just going to jot down each time we've had one. And then I just got like a Coke. And then we've got heaps of sauces. So a mixture of sweet chili and barbecue. So I got four boxes of 24s, because that's the largest size they have. And then we got a pack of 3, and then they chucked in an extra 1, so that makes 100. Oh my goodness.
Woo! They're fresh as well.
So we'll get a bit of sweet sour and some barbecue.
You got timer? Oh,
Okay.
we've had nothing to eat, by the way.
Yeah, it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and we haven't had anything to eat, so we're quite hungry. Let's start it. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
They're pretty good.
These taste so good right now, but
Yeah, they're not
when
gonna
they
taste
shortly,
good.
they ain't gonna taste good.
Who's gonna win, guys? I feel like I will, because I'm a fatty.
I'm a low-key fatty too, though. What?
Better be counting,
I lost count.
Too bad.
That was my third. I think. What the f*** before that? How the hell? I love McNuggies.
We're drawing. So speed it up, guys.
Woo!
8 minutes to go. Oh my god.
So this is a combined effort, but at the same time we're versing each other as well.
I'm trying not to drink, but I'm a type of person that when you eat, I need a drink.
Oh, look at all these chicken nuggets.
What the hell?
Mm-hmm.
No, you haven't!
Hell yeah, boy.
What? Is that
Hell
so
yeah.
much? Out of nowhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, something more.
Little mate. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm trying to stop you from eating it.
What
Dude,
the hell?
dude, his nose is sweating.
The chicken nugget? Cake off, babe. Oh, shit. Look at this cake. Hell yeah. Fuck it up. How many is in there? 4.
It's a chicken nugget cake layered with sauces.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Oh my god, are you getting like a heading here?
Nope.
We're going doubles. We're gonna beat his ass.
Oh, I can't even taste the Coke at this point. Everything tastes like nuggets. Starting to feel weird.
I felt weird a long time ago, mate. Oh, this is gonna.
Ah, I love nuggets. Oily face nuggets. Oh, I love oily face nuggets. You're gonna beat me, man. What's happening? I feel like I'm gonna win. I like. It's getting weird.
I don't like chicken nuggets anymore.
Oh!
Look what you're doing. You're chucking the pen in the freaking sauce. I don't know who's. See a medical center.
Uh-oh.
Ew!
Better wash down that bacteria.
Oh my god. My stomach is like rumbling because it ain't happy.
Oh.
I should just give up now. I'm about 7 behind. I'm so fucking.
Oh!
I need a break.
Where you going?
Oh, dude, my stomach.
Why do you always leave the challenges?
Wait.
Let's see how many I can fit in my mouth. Ready? Okay. Oh.
Oh my god! Every time.
There you go. It's just me now, guys. Me and you.
Fuck.
Me, you, and all these chicken nuggets. Get the fuck away from my chicken nuggets.
Dude, he's sweating. Go close. Go close and show your sweaty face on your nose.
My beautiful face. My favorite chicken nuggets, and give me damn.
I can't.
There's 40 seconds or so left on the clock. I can't get serious. Let's do this! Don't do shit in it!
No, you're not. No, you're not. Hey, you're about to throw up.
I will win the challenge!
Don't get it on the carpet. Not even under the couch.
Oh.
No, babe, no, that does not count. That does not count. You're messed up. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
That doesn't count. That does not count. Yuck.
Oh! I don't know how many I spat out. Probably 1 or 2.
Oh my god, guys, look. We still have so much more.
Oh, so let's count up. That's 10 minutes.
I got 5, 10, 20, 30. Wait.
That's not how 5s count. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 20, 30. I'm the winner.
I got. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
30.
Oh.
Yes!
Alright, he ate 10 more than me. He ate
Say
10.
sorry. Say sorry. Say, I'm so sorry for doubting you, James. You're the best chicken nugget eater in the world.
Oh.
I need one more nugget.
Oh my my god, you're so gross. Bubs, go.
Oh!
Go wash your face.
I'm wrapped in a nugget. Ah! His little lost nugget friends.
Okay, enough Bubs. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry I couldn't win. Babe, you're really gross.
I'm sick.
Alright! Babe!
Hope you enjoyed that. That was our 10-minute chicken nugget challenge.
Chicken yogi chili.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Laters.
Oh.